I bet you there are. I totally did not bring this to
No.
Good. Good. I know.
Oh, sister?
Now you just, it's like this.
Oh yeah. All right, Pam, new hobby.
Yeah, you don't have to try.
How are you? Dive center. Nope. No. Call back. Beth, you could totally do this. Next year. Sarah said I told you. Have you met the wife?
I've never met her. There it is. Never trust a professional diver to hold any alcohol if you want to. It's a Chardonnay meal ale.
If I actually get this, they get arrested. Ready?
Not bad.
Alright, that's children.
Not bad.
I played that game. Okay.
Yeah.
Who's on the piece? Yeah.
I had this like totally high maintenance diver I had, and then I